Today, I'll be teaching you one of the most important life lessons that you'll ever know, and that of course is to teach you how to use a brown paper bag. First of all, you'll need to obtain a brown paper bag. You can get yours from a variety of different shops or purchase one online. However, it's best to make your very own one. I bought mine from a shop. Here it is. As you can see, mine comes in this stunning colour, which is brown. If you find that your brown paper bag comes in a different colour that is not brown, then you might have been sold yours illegally. If that happens, please aim to return the brown paper bag to where you purchased it, or simply file a lawsuit against the vendor. I'm very fortunate because my brown paper bag comes in the right colour, which is brown, and therefore I know it is genuine and I will not need to return it or file any lawsuit as of yet. Next, you'll want to ensure that your brown paper bag has these things that are built into it. These loops are extremely important for later. Other important details of the brown paper bag is that it is square in shape with a hint of rectangle, and that it is in 3D. Furthermore, it has this stunning envelope design right at the base. Finally, the weight of the brown paper bag is not too heavy. To put the weight of the brown paper bag in perspective, it weighs less than 4 metric tons, which is about 8,818.49 pounds. As a result, I am successfully able to carry the brown paper bag in one hand, and that makes it absolutely brilliant for transporting around with you. Now, contrary to popular belief, the brown paper bag is not actually a walking stick. The loops are unfortunately not strong enough to support my weight at least, but I'm of course very heavy. You might be a bit lighter than me, in which case this will be a perfect walking stick aid for you. However, you will be shocked to hear that the brown paper bag has been designed for another purpose, and that is to carry items inside of it. I have learnt that you just need to inflate the bag in order to enable this. Let me just do that quickly now. There we go. Now it is just a case of placing items inside of the bag. Here I have a used tissue. Notice how I carefully place this inside of the brown paper bag. Once the used tissue is safely inside of the brown paper bag, you can actually carry the bag around with you. Remember earlier when I mentioned these loops? Well, you can actually put your hand around both of the loops like this, and they can be used as a handle to carry the bag. Please ensure that you put your hand around both of the loops. Holding one of the loops is extremely dangerous, as the whole brown paper bag could split and break, or worse, the used tissue could fall out. Thankfully, I have taken many precautions and that I'm fully aware that I'm carrying the bag with my hand around both of the loops successfully. You are now free to walk around with the brown paper bag at will. Let me show you how that is done. Now, while walking, you're going to want to ensure that you grip the brown paper bag extremely tightly, because if your grip falters in any way, then the brown paper bag could fall to the ground and damage your used tissue. Once you've finished transporting your used tissue around, then just put your brown paper bag back down again. Really carefully though. Just like that. At this point, you can now relax, knowing that you've made a successful journey with the brown paper bag. And that completes the tutorial of how to use a brown paper bag. I understand that there was a lot of information that was given in this video, so if you need a little extra help, then I'll be happy to do a part 2, and then hopefully you'll be able to use your brown paper bag all by yourself. I'm going to go now and show you the full capabilities of this brown paper bag by putting more items inside of it and carrying it around. So I'll see you all later. Goodbye. Okay, just need to find some more items now. Good, another used tissue. Put that inside. What else do we have? Oh, another used tissue. This one will come in handy. Is there anything else? Oh, we got a used tissue here. Let's put this inside as well. Okay, I think we're ready to transport this bag around now as well. Okay, here goes. It's getting heavy now actually. Probably regret putting so many items in here. Might have to hold it with 2 hands, just to be sure. Oh no! My used tissues? Why? Oh no, what a disaster. Why did this happen?